22 on the related rates typewriter speed dating thing. It says the length of a rectangle is increasing at 6 feet per minute while its width is decreasing at a rate of 4 feet per minute. So let's draw ourselves a rectangle. So the length is increasing, so we'll do DL. I'm gonna do a cursive L, DT, don't ask me why. Feet per minute, not like you can because this is a video. While its width is decreasing, so DW, DT, at a rate of 4 feet per minute. So decreasing means I'm gonna call it -4 feet per minute. Find the rate of change of area. So rate of change of area, that'll be dA dt, when the length is 100 feet and the width is 30 feet. So we know the area formula for a rectangle is length times width. Now this is a product. I can't like rewrite one in terms of the other right now, so I'll have to use product rule. So dA dt equals 1, so L, d2, so dW dt, plus 2, which is W, d1, dL dt. So substituting in what I know that L is 100, dW dt is -4, plus W, which is 30, and dL dt, which is 6. So I've got -400 plus 180, and I got -220, and this is feet squared per minute.